I'm Susan from Chateau So and So in New Orleans, Louisiana. We're going to talk about cleaning our vintage fabrics that we found at the thrift shop last week. Remember, you can go to a thrift store, an antique shop, or a secondhand store when you're shopping for these. You remember that I picked up this cute little geometric piece of material? I think it's a heavyweight cotton, so what we're going to do is hand wash it with some OxiClean and some lemon juice to take care of that musty smell that there was lingering on the fabric. I think it's going to take care of it. Remember, I only paid $1.50 for that 2.5 yards, so I am going to make me the cutest little summer dress. Got this in my laundry room sink, and I've added the lemon juice and the OxiClean, and I'm going to make sure that the OxiClean is good and dissolved. Gently squeeze, don't twist or wring. That will misshape our fabric, and that is all you need to remember. When you get through letting it soak for a few minutes in your OxiClean and lemon solution, remember not to twist it or wring it. Gently squeeze it dry, and you might use a towel to sort of blot out the water. Now that I've got my fabric washed, squeeze dried, slightly damp, I'm going to lay it on the nice spring grass and let it soak up some of the sunshine, and it'll be nice and fresh for us to cut it. Let's also look at laundering the rug that we got last week. All I'm going to do to it is toss it in the washing machine with a little OxiClean on a gentle cycle and tumble dry it. We just dried the rug, and I'm going to take this to the sewing room and see what I can make of it. Remember to come back next week and we will see what we make of these cute little finds.